All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. And in a few days, we're going to be talking about Splash. Yep. Well, today we're talking about Dogelon Mars. What's going on with it? It's down a little bit this second. Is this a good discount buy? We're going to go to their Twitter account, go to their website, do a little deep dive on Dogelon Mars. Also, we're going to talk about gas prices here in the United States. What's going on with gas prices? Is it going to get better anytime soon? I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Well, we're still in Hawaii broadcasting. I got my beautiful background behind me. Enjoying this. We did come out here on a cryptocurrency, some of my profits I made with my node projects and a couple of the things we're doing. So cryptocurrency could actually, they talk about changing people's lives. It is a good, it's a good thing with crypto. You just got to kind of learn everything. All right, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is ranked 140th. It's down about 8% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's only down 2%. So the price is not at a discount buy at 10, 12, well, actually 12, 15, 20%. Let's go ahead and click it. Over here, it's down about 2% today. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 68.16. We'll come back and do a price prediction when we're done here. So what's going on with this cryptocurrency? It's down about 2% today. So here's what it looks like for today. 2% is not too bad. And then the last 7 days, it's down 8 or 9%. It did have a high peak here a few days ago. All right, so Dogelon Mars is at 2%, 8%, not too bad. All right, so it says Dogelon Mars. What is Dogelon Mars? For you that don't know, Dogelon Mars is a dog theme, a meme coin. It follows the example of successful dogs like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars as a spinoff on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon, some people call it Dogelon, I don't know if it's Dogelon or Dogelon, but Dogelon Mars will experience a massive upward movement beyond its tongue-in-cheek name. Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community with over 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 Telegrams. So if we remember, Dogelon Mars is actually the currency that's going to be used for intergalactic travel to Mars. So when we go to Mars, we're going to use our Dogelon Mars tokens to actually get us to Mars. I think that's pretty cool. Going over here to their Twitter account, right here, Dogelon Mars. It does have a new website from about a month ago. Actually, their Twitter account right here, 611,000 followers. And it says they're kind of funny. I'm not the dog they think I am at home. Oh no, I'm a rocket dog. Yeah, because he's going to Mars. Time is the most valuable resource. Spend it wisely. Some good stuff coming from Dogelon. We already know that Dogelon's on Gemini. Take a look at this. Here's the website. What's going on with Dogelon? 6 places you can buy. Take a look. You can get Dogelon Mars on crypto.com. You can get it on Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. So the community, yep, there's 650,000 people on their Twitter account. Over 90,000 people on their Telegram account. This is right here, get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack. You just click download, and you can actually print your stickers off today, which is fantastic. A Cosmic Saga begins. So right here, you can kind of click it, and you can actually buy these on OpenSeas, which is fantastic. It's got a price of $2.75, but it kind of tells you what's going on. What are you working on today, honey? I was laying the ground for some new aggregation. How about you? Do you remember the frozen micros we found? So you can kind of look at their roadmap on their comics right here on OpenSeas, which is fantastic. Here's some rankings. Dogelon Mars is ranked at 140th. It's got a market cap of 377.23 mil, and the volume is 7.35. Talks about right here a quick start, how you would get the Dogelon Mars, set up your MetaMask account, send Ethereum to your MetaMask, do the swap, the whole 9 yards. So what are your thoughts of Elon? What are your thoughts of Dogelon Mars? Do you like this cryptocurrency? Do you not like this cryptocurrency? I know about 3 or 4 months ago, there was a big pump on this. Everybody was into Elon. Everybody was into Dogelon Mars. What are your thoughts today? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Now, I do know on Fuse, you can actually be on the Fuse network that Dogelon is on, and you can actually make passive income. So if you're looking for passive income, you can do it on the Fuse network. Dogelon Mars is on there. A lot of people are thinking about the passive income right now with the gas prices being so high. We're going to switch to that for a second. Gas is so high these days that here's a few jokes for you. We're about $1 away from people calling into work saying that I'm out of gas, I can't come to work. And then also, people are starting to ride their horses to work. I mean, I'm just kidding about that. But if you do have horses in the back, you may want to do that. So how do you do the combating of the gas prices being so high? Well, let's head over to there and we'll talk about it. Right here is the average gas prices in the United States. It's $4.23. On this map right here, it's gasprices.aaa.com. Now, you can just hover over the state. South Dakota, average gas price is $3.98. You can come over here to Maine, $4.27. Go down to Florida, $4.35. How about Texas? Texas is around $4. How about Alaska? Alaska's $4. The highest price is California, $5.73. Over here to the right, you got your national averages. It's color coordinated. Pretty interesting. You can even scroll down a little bit, and it talks about the different gas prices. Right here, California, $5.73. Now, you got regular gas, you got the mid-grade, you got your premium, and you got your diesel. Diesel is actually $6.29 in California. So gas prices are jumping. I mean, I do remember 4 or 5 months ago, $2.50. Now it's over $4 in most places. 3 reasons why gas prices are so high, and when might they come down? I don't think they're coming down anytime soon, everybody. As gas prices are hitting record highs almost daily, causing financial pain at the pump for millions of Americans, but it's also spurring questions about how does the fuel get so expensive and who is to blame? Consumers are also wondering when this might see some relief. Who to blame? I don't know if that matters. I mean, because it hurts at the pump, and will we get some relief? I don't know if anytime soon. Here's what it's saying. With the gas prices going up, it's probably going to add about an extra $2,000 to the bottom line to families' income. I mean, not their income, to their budget. So they're going to spend $2,000 more. Some families are living paycheck to paycheck. Times are still tough right now. Stimulus checks have kind of stopped, the government helping. The pandemic is still here. There's wars going on, and gas prices are going up. Hey, food prices are going up. Suddenly, fuel prices are a major topic of discussion with families budgeting for higher gas prices, cutting spending in many areas. Some Americans are already driving less due to the higher gas prices. 1 in 3 Americans say they reduced in car usages last month, with mostly blaming the gas pump prices sticker shock. So how did we get here? Well, first we got here because of the pandemic, post-pandemic, and the second way we got here was the Russian war with Ukraine. So number 1 reason is the post-pandemic gas prices demand. When the pandemic hit first in the U.S. in March of 2020, the demand for gas prices plummeted as Americans sheltered to home due to nationwide lockdowns. The typical driver cut their driving in half, according to AAA. Well, that's not how it's going right now, because now things, I mean, and again, they said the price was standing at $2.82. How would you like that? $2.82. Second reason why gas prices are higher, the cut in oil production. They do say that America actually has the most oil in the whole entire world, but they actually sell it off to other places. 38% of our oil we actually sell to other places. We kind of need to actually start bringing that oil back in so we can be self-sufficient. Problem is we're already under contracts. The third reason is the U.S. sanction on the Russian impact global market. Against the backdrop of the steady rising prices, Russian war in Ukraine has caused a rapid spike in oil and gas prices. I mean, it's just getting worse and worse. President Biden on Tuesday announced a U.S. ban on Russian oil and gas imports, taking an aim at Russia's main revenue source of the conflict. The U.S. imports less than 10% of its oil of gas from Russia. I think we get about 5 to 7% from Russia. So that's 5 or 7% that we're not going to be getting. But we also do send about 38% out. So how do we combat the gas prices? Well, one, I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency, but I'm going to come back to that. Here's the first thing. At your job, you need to find 1, 2, or 3 friends. If you have one friend and you guys share on driving, the first week you drive every day and you pick the person up, the second week your friend drives every day. Just by having one friend, you would actually cut your driving in half. You'd only drive 2 weeks out of 4 to work. If you had 3 friends in the car, you can actually rotate. Sally could drive the first week, Bob could drive the second week, and Henry can drive the third week. So literally, you would be driving once every 3 weeks. The best formula would be have 4 people, you and 3 people, and Sally drives the first week, Henry drives the second week, you drive the third week, and another person drives the fourth week. Now you're only driving 25% of the time. So you're saving 3 weeks of gasoline. Now, you are in the car with 3 other people, but these are people you work with anyway. So you see them anyway. So what's the difference if you see them on the way to work and you see them on the way to home to work? You're working with them anyways, but this is a way to strategize to cut your gas prices. Another way, you can actually, for your groceries, you can actually decide to every 10 days go to the grocery store and you stock up for 10 days to only make 3 trips to the grocery store a month instead of maybe 2 a week, which would be 8 times a month. Another way you can combat gas prices with groceries is you order and have them delivered to your house. You have to start thinking outside the box of how you can combat this. I know there's people that are driving less now because of this, but you kind of want to get in this kind of thinking of how I can actually get my groceries delivered to me, go to work, all kinds of things. Also, start a home-based business from home. It could be a crypto project with nodes. It could be a drip network, splash, piggy bank, all kinds of different stuff. So you do want to kind of combat the gas prices by figuring out how you can actually combat that. So you want to kind of do that. Well, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars to do that price prediction and check that out. Again, back over here at Dogelon Mars website, let's not forget there's 6 different places you can actually buy this coin: crypto.com, Uniswap, KuCoins, Huobi, and Gemini. Checking it out over here at CoinMarketCap. What's my price prediction? My price prediction, this coin's only down about 8% in the last 7 days. Not too bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 67.96. I'm thinking it's going to go to 6 zeros and a 70.70. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. Again, back over here at CoinMarketCap. This coin's at 140th. Now, I'm taking a look here. A little bit of red's going on, but not too bad. All right, thanks for tuning in. Dogelon Mars, is this a good time to actually buy the coin when it's actually down slightly? I do like when the coin's more at 12 to 15% down or 20% down. It's only 8% down. It did bounce back a little bit, so I don't know if it's a good discount buy. All the information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network at 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. Everybody, gas prices are tough right now. Food prices are tough right now. You may want to do a home-based business, crypto projects, do something to kind of combat the gas prices. Thanks for tuning in from Hawaii here, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.